It's still sketchy.
It's still sketchy.
Actually, E30s are surprisingly stable.
Oh, yeah, it was pretty. It was sort of. I don't know. I got a bigger motor. I can still like 10 or 16.
Barbecue and his hot rod.
They're calling the invite out.
Hey! Oh yeah. What's he yelling at you for?
Wow. Look at this truck.
Oh,
Yeah, there we go.
She's got a big trust fund
Yes,
anyway.
no, please, I want it. I like it. I like connected. You want to go get a water?
Jeff, you want to fry?
Okay,
You can
but
ask.
this is probably a really newbie question. The chirp that some of the Beatles have. What?
Like with the exhaust.
Yes, the sound of an air-cooled exhaust. What years?
Specifically the like two-shooter style exhaust.
Oh,
I don't
yes.
know what year that pertains to. But
Okay.
Yeah.
That is probably my favorite part of the Beatle, and I have read somewhere that it's like the 60s generation of Beatles, but I don't know.
Probably, yeah. There's nothing I've ever had that had exhaust together. Yeah. Probably not. It's probably not.
Yeah, somebody knows.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe. You know what? So, yeah, so mine just.
Is it a particular manufacturer that you get that from? Element? You took a picture, right?
I'll take a picture.
Yeah.
We'll find it. It's good. That's my big problem right now is my hood springs are bent.
How many years did you have this?
Ontario, you wouldn't want to drive it in the winter in Ontario.
So the guy who died, his brother shipped it out here. It's a beauty. It's such a nice color, right?
Yeah.
Such a nice color.
And this is an original color?
But the car's original, everything's original.
The vented probably keeps it nice. 73 is a good year.
We have no skill in this area. He's done it all on his own.
The inner rocker panel and the fascia.
Can I go to the washroom?
Tu veux-tu aller voir celui-là qui est là-bas, là, la bleue là-bas, qui vient en
Pas du tout. Ah, après ça, je crois que
How much is use that on your part, or you gotta go to the...
It's always kind of smaller than it should be. Yes, I will come as well.
And I looked at it, and the mirrors were I thought, did they add them? They don't, we didn't have mirrors like this. And then I go to another yellow one right in this row, which is also a 72. That's our car, and it was called a super beam. But it looks exactly like what our car is.
Oh, hey, how you doing? Yeah, there are a lot. It's so busy here. I had no idea. It's like, wow, there's a lot of people here, which is good. I mean, the day is awesome. Oh, it's between you and Drew. Oh, did he already book you? No, yeah.
How much are you paying?
I mean, that being said, I am a fan of more of the cleaner stuff. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Oh, the one right up. Okay.
With the rack on
The colors are different.
Hi. Hi.
Oh, I thought you actually had that. That's why I think you can get it up to 100 and you're matching Civic Type R formats because they're so light.
Yeah.
It's under a ton. It weighs about 16 pounds. So
Don't drink it.
That was like my. Because it was so.
Behind the seat cover.
Oh, did you buy that?
Oh, sweet. $5 came with a pair.
Did you really? Well, there you go. Eh? Back window, right? Oh, that's nice.
Ooh, I like that.
It's a wireless, bro.
Yeah. That I like.
Cool.
I'm trying some of that.
Wow, look at this.
Don't.
That's not good.
Yes, you did. Thank goodness. I actually.
I like yearly. They're nice and kind of grand. Anyway, but
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, they're surprised. Like, who cares? Like, I'm surprised.
yeah, exactly. Well, yeah, they're hard. The curved windows for sure are hard to find.
He's reading the cards.
I've got a bunch of old license plates.
Yes, I did. Did you find one? Oh, wait, he's got the
Wasn't that one just in the car show that we just went to?
Can I get a photo of you all?
That gets hot. This used to be, this was all silver at one time. This Very lucky. Yeah, I don't mind if I selfie. That's why, like, selfies are like
I like the when he's got for the he said that fire extinguisher like
I know he told me about it. Yeah. I know.
So what, he was on Highway 17. Like,
Oh, so, well, you can probably find it on Amazon.
right. Right, it's gonna rust, yeah. It's the can touch the can.
Look at this. You want to get Jurassic Park movie?
Ah, these. Well, they're not in. There's nice people go.
West Ophelia over there, and at the back of Central.
Well, after a while,
I'm gonna send him a message to you.
You know, a lot of people think, oh, probably this is that's what I was thinking.
Oh, you get everything pretty much, yeah. Is that an original engine or is it just quarter? No, it's just a Volkswagen engine. It's a 64. 1600.
Simplicity.
And prudence.
Just like to announce that at 12:45 in 15 minutes, across from the merchandise and registration tanks, we're doing a watermelon eating contest. First, we are starting off with watermelon
That's
eating
my jam.
adults, followed by one kids. Hope you guys
Okay,
have
cool, man. We're gonna
fun.
wander.
Yeah.
Okay, good to see ya. Yeah.
And while we're speaking of prizes, don't forget to get your raffle tickets. $2 per ticket or $5 for 3 tickets. Merchandise, and we do have free bottles of water up by the tents up front here too. If you're feeling thirsty, dehydrated, etc. Thank you.
Well, let's go see if we can run into this. Oh, I see Steve.
You know what? This is just about the same. This is almost the same color.
Another thing.
So low the license
Think it's even drivable? Look how low it is.
I just wanted to get more of it in focus. I had too high of a shutter speed. Thanks, guys.
It is. Way more relaxed. Yeah, and then you get used to the acceleration. I mean, it's not ridiculous, but it's like, oh yeah, okay. And then you get something else right. Come on, is that it? Yeah, yeah. Yeah. That's funny. Is it one pedal driving with no thunderstorm? Or do you have it?
Because I've seen this one. I've seen this one and
Yeah.
they're like that.
Guys have the talent. This is gorgeous, Casey. I'm no expert.
We're actually going to it's a fiberglass one. It's called, I can't remember if it's an escape or
Big little knobby. This is
Then you don't have to worry about taking out the bush.
Oh, I like this.
Oh, you put disc? Oh, no, you put disc. I did. Oh, yeah, you did. Yeah. Is that a sway bar? Mine is. Oh, just a shirt.
Go for the pickles because you've got a big bag to get. Go for the pickles. Yes.
Down here.
Yep. What's your name? Telford.
Oh, Mikey. What's that's It's terrible. Good, how are you?
You saying? Sorry?
What do you do at Volkswagen?
Delivery specialist. So, yeah. So, please breakfast.
And the headlights themselves, if you clean them too, they get pretty dirty inside. But just the pattern.
That was the just like pop up on top of the screen.
I think here. Browsing. Oh, it's good. Yeah, with the eyes. Yeah. Oh, there's sweet on it.
Yeah, you do.
I don't think I replaced those seals.
Is still your favorite?
And then the later ones also have these air dam kind of things up front.
He's stressing about it.
Pictures for Rob.
It's very difficult.
Air dam here.
Other than that, though, it runs really solid. Matter of fact, I was just driving out here and it's snowed on the page.
All right, we're going to do the adult watermelon eating contest. Across from our main tent here at the table are just a few people gathered around.
I guess that's what you get for repeated. Back, you know. The guy's back.
That's where I ended up. I started with that, and then I ended up upgrading that.
scientist for sure, but it was, it was done and it was great. This was the smoothest.
All right. Any 12 adults up here for watermelon eating contest. There's 13 pieces, but I want 12 people up here. You figure it out. All right, we got 4. We got 4 ladies that come to the front. Any guys? Any other ladies? We need 8 more adults. 8 more adults. You're going to get a prize of some kind. You're going to eat watermelon. Eating watermelon is always delicious on a hot day. Oh, yeah. Got one. All right, I need 7 more. 7 more. Yeah. Yeah, if you have a sweater and you're wearing a shirt, it's all good. All right, I need 6 more now, I believe. Oh yeah, Zeke is in this last year. Zeke, buddy, where are you? Zeke? Zeke plus 5 more adults. There were 1 Zeke and 5 more adults.
You come.
You want in?
Yeah.
Get in there.
Get in here, it's fun. You get to eat watermelon.
I know you do.
Let's get started. East Coast watermelon.
Get that beard back.
What up, buddy? Hey,
Yeah,
you
good.
again.
Yeah.
How you doing, man?
Good.
5 people for watermelon. We need 5 adults.
Get in there,
for
POV
watermelon.
view, man.
That's right.
Come on, guys. There's a huge crowd gathered.
You want it all day.
Who's your guy? I don't know your name. He looks cool. All right, I got another guy.
You don't want to do it?
I need 3 more people to crowd in here.
That's fine.
Yeah. Oh, I got 1 more. How many we got total now? How many we got?
I got Zeke.
Oh, you can get in there.
I got
11.
I got Zeke coming too. No, you get in there.
You get in there. So you have the disadvantage because the bins in your
What am I
way.
gonna do? You want to move it?
Up and over.
Yep.
Table up and over.
Or slide the bin under the table. That works too. Let's get up.
Yeah. Steve, are you gonna get in there? Well, I was going to, but if you got enough people, we're good. Do we have enough? I think we got enough. Yeah, no hands. Zeke, I think we have enough. No hands. Yeah, you're good. Sorry, dude. That's okay.
All right, we're going to go over the rules. What are the rules? We can't touch the watermelon with our hands, right, Jake?
That is right.
So if you want to position it now. Because once you get going,
You can grab it now.
yeah.
You can't eat off the ground if it falls
All right, so you may,
Oh yeah, you gotta get down on your knee, baby.
yeah, I was going to say, you may discover that kneeling down works better because you're closer to the table.
Yeah.
Not forcing you guys to, but you all seem to be, so. Ah, there you go. There you go. You got the youth behind you.
Mike wasn't doing it?
All right, so other than that rule of no testing with your hands, it's the first person to finish the watermelon or the vast majority of the piece. All right, we gonna get going here?
Let's do it.
All right, we're gonna count this down. 1, 2, 3, go! Yeah, guys, getting in there.
Frank, don't throw up.
That sounds.
Yeah, we always need to get some. We need to mic the sound.
Right?
Just kidding. Just
Might
kidding.
hear somebody gag.
Yeah.
That.
Good watermelon.
Nice. I'm glad to hear it's good. I'm glad to hear it's good.
No choking allowed.
You guys are doing great. She's doing really great over in this corner, guys. That guy, blue shirt guy, he's doing awesome.
Blue shirt guy.
Oh, you guys are killing it. You guys are killing it.
I got level 2
Yeah. You guys are honestly all doing great. I think some of you are going to be down to the Rhine pretty soon. I think we're going to be able to declare a winner fairly soon. You guys are watermelon savages. I love it. What are you thinking, Jake? What are you thinking?
Blue shirt's almost there.
Yeah, blue shirt guy's almost there. Guy next to him's doing great. This girl's doing great over here, too. Not to discredit anyone else. You guys are all doing awesome.
Oh, Chuck.
Yeah?
Blue shirt or black shirt here.
Blue shirt or black shirt? Yeah.
Blue shirt guy. Blue shirt.
Oh, the guy next to
Black shirt.
All right, black shirt guy next to blue shirt guy. You're first.
Little bit left. Start. Little bit left.
Oh my God.
Blue shirt's coming in.
President's making him finish it.
Guys, a little bit more. Yep. Dig.
This girl's been, she's neck and neck with these guys too. All right. Yeah. You guys are all doing great. You kicked ass. You kicked ass. You guys all kicked ass. That was great. Somebody need to Oh no, I meant if she just wants to enjoy her free watermelon, she doesn't want to get in the contest. We got a whole contest coming up. All right, guys, don't go away. In 5 minutes, once we get cleaned up and organized, we're doing the kids' watermelon eating contest. We'll need about 12 kids for that. About 12 kids. All right, in 5 minutes.
Look how big those slices are.
Well done.
It's such a beautiful place, and there's so much like vibrant culture and stuff. So much just getting choked out. That's yours. That's your coffee.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's always good.
Well, I get